Hello, so today I'm going to be giving a tutorial on how to use mathlearningcenter.com. It's a great little tool to visualize math. So we're going to go ahead and cover this bottom toolbar. Up here on the left, we have our start over button, so you can click it and clear all if you want, or cancel if you don't. Then to create fractions, you have two options. You can create a bar, and then put in however many pieces you want it separated into with their presets, or put in your own number if you want that, if your option is here. When you're done, you can go ahead and click OK. You can also create a circle. Same sort of setup, and you can click and drag to move. Again, put in however many you want from the presets or your own. And then when you're done, hit OK. These blue arrows help you to resize what you're working with. And then this gray circle helps you to rotate your circular fraction. And then if you want to create labels, they're already automatically on there. You can remove them if you need. So say you're having your student count how full a fraction bar is. You don't want the labels up there to give the answer away. Just go ahead and hide it at the bottom. Now, as we saw, the circle rotates up here with this button. For the fraction bar, you're going to rotate down at the bottom using this rotational button. To fill in your fractions to whatever you need, hit the teardrop, select a color that you like, and then click to add and remove. Now, if you start to fill the page up a bit, you can go ahead and zoom out with the magnifying glass and zoom back in. To recenter yourself, they have some bars along the bottom to just scroll to where you need to be on the page. Now we have a cover tool, and this can help you if you want to just block off a part of the fraction and only focus over here. Put the cover on, and then when you're done with it, you can remove it so that you can see the whole and bring it back using this I button. When you're all set with that tool, you can just go ahead and exit out of it. Now we have some ways to write our expressions. We can do it using the numerals. Put in whatever you want, and if you're trying to express what they're looking for, hit that question mark and it leaves it blank. Change to any color you'd like. Go ahead and hit done when you're done. Double click to change, and then change your text size. Now the text button is pretty much the same thing. You can enter whatever you want, change the color, hit done when you're done, double click to edit, and then change the size. Drag and drop to wherever you want it to be. And another little tool that we have here is our writing tool. This is great for tablets, so you can freehand. You can draw straight lines with the second option. The third option lets you change colors. The fourth option is a small eraser, whereas the fifth option will clear all drawings. Now, I'm sure you can see that it's starting to get a little bit cluttered on here. If you want to get rid of something, just select it and hit the trash can. Conversely, if you want to duplicate something, select it and hit this little box in box icon, and you'll have an exact copy of whatever you had selected. Our final little tools down here is sharing. So if I give the students a code, they can put it in here so they can see my work. And if they want to give me a code, they can hit this button to then get their code, a link, or create an image of their screen. Finally, if all that is just a little bit too much at once, this info button down here has all of the icons, their meanings, and finally a chart of shortcuts that you can use on your keyboard to get those tools a little bit faster. So thank you for listening to this tutorial.